What?
Come on here, help me.
Help you what?
I gotta go to work, Cough.
What happened?
Ryan and Tim.
I think that's what it was. That's probably why they stopped by last night. Oh.
I hate it when all you guys drink together.
That sucks, dude. Where do you think they got that at? That's beautiful. I think they like you.
I hate you. All of you. Anybody had anything to do with this? You're gonna die.
I'm gonna send this to Brian and Tim.
Should.
Should be a good picture.
Yeah, it should be. I'm sure you got enough.
I should have got some. I mean, I should get some.